All right, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel and thanks for joining in. And I'm here with a very exciting matchup for you guys, and I got a brand new car on the channel. This right here is a 2021 BMW M3 Competition. Now this one has its ECU unlocked and pretty much just basic bolt-ons. It's got upgraded air intakes with downpipes, port injection on a custom E85 tune. And the owner has told me this car is making low 700 horsepower to the wheels. I believe he said somewhere around 730. Now it is a full weight car, so that means they weigh somewhere around 3,800 pounds. And he's been running up against a 2020 Toyota Supra. Now this one has an upgraded turbo. It's a big boost kit with the MPR 67mm turbo with full supporting mods, running up with port injection on E85. He's been street tuned, so he doesn't know the power he's making. He's estimated to be somewhere around 700 wheel, give or take. Now this one's also a full weight car. So this is a lighter car than the G80, but the G80 is making a little bit more power most likely. So it should be a good matchup. Now for this race, both of these cars will be going solo. So let's see how it goes. That was a close race.